Hey guys, welcome back to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Today my video will be a little bit different. I'll be making some Jamaican jerk, natural homemade jerk sauce and some green seasonings. Yes, I make my own jerk sauce. Whether be it spicy, mild or regular, my jerk is the best. It tastes just as good or even better than Walker's Wood or any other Jamaican jerk that you've tried. I use a lot of herbs and spices and other blends to make this natural sauce. I'll also be showing you my green seasoning that you can also use on any meal of your choice. If you're frying foods, it's all blended greens. If you're baking, anything you're doing on your stovetop. So stay tuned for this video. Please remember, like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. Give your girl a like and stay tuned for this video. Thank you. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my natural homemade jerk sauce and some green seasoning. Stay tuned for the video. The ingredients are so much that I will definitely have to drop them in the description box so you know most of what I used. Celery, parsley, cilantro, jalapeno, vinegar, lemon juice. I used regular green pepper. I used ginger. I used white onions, red onion, I use escallion, I use thyme, I used hot pepper, I used garlic, I used cinnamon, I used pimento greens, I used also a little clove. Now I'll be making some Jamaican jerk sauce and also some green seasoning. Jamaican jerk is my national dish. I love me a jerk. You can jerk any type or any kind of meat, no additives, no preservatives in my jerk sauce. This is natural, homemade that I use for anything that I'll be jerking. Jerk chicken, jerk fish if I'm doing beef, and you can do it mild or spicy. I'll be mixing this or blending these in my neutral mixer. NutriBullet, I'll be just doing it like really quickly. Now for the jerk sauce or jerk seasoning, I use a little brown sugar, a little hint of salt, a little hint of black pepper. I used the pimento greens or the pimento seeds. I use a little soy sauce in it. I use allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, turmeric. I blended all these herbs and spices, and let me tell you something, this tastes just like the Walker's Wood jerk sauce. You can use it on any meat or meal of your choice, and I use fresh parsley and I also use the dried parsley. Celery, I also use celery, especially in my green seasoning, but I also use a little in my jerk. I used also cinnamon leaf and also cinnamon powder and also a little nutmeg. I love to cook and I love me a jerk. Jerk is my national dish. I love jerk more than how I love our national dish ackee. Now once I do this, I put them in my mason jar. I'll keep them out for a little while because it's not really hot where I am at. I'll store them in my refrigerator so the shelf life is a little longer. Once I'm done with my jerk, I will just run into doing a little tiny amount of green season. The green season is good for any baking. Anytime you're cooking your meat, you can also add green seasonings, which included celery, parsley, jalapeno, I use escallion, I use thyme, I use a little bit of white onion, a little bit of purple onion in the green seasoning, and I blended. It is really, really good for anything that you're doing in the oven. I do hope that you all will enjoy this video and you will also experiment on this. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Home cooked meals are important. They are essential and they are nutritious. Look at my homemade jerk and look at my green seasoning. I show you the texture of it. It is in pureed form, not watery, and I did not use any water because you all know these seasonings, especially here in the US, they do have water. Look at my jerk. Let me tell you something. This is lit and you all need to try this. If you love Jamaican jerk, try to make your own preservatives. Try to make your own seasonings. Again, thank you for watching. Please remember to give your girl a like, subscribe, set your notification bell so you don't miss a video. Anytime I post a new video, you will not miss. Remember now, I have so many videos on my channel. Watch, like. If you haven't yet subscribed, let me give you a second to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Please remember you can share my videos on Facebook. You can share my videos anywhere you want. Share with any family member that you like. Again, thank you for your support. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. If you made the sauce, please let me know.